Hi, Editing Megan here. It was brought to my attention when I began editing the video for you guys for our room tour video that you're about to see that I did not do an intro for it, so here is my intro for this video. I'm about to give you a tour of a swim out suite at the Margaritaville Island Resort Riviera Cancun all-inclusive resort that I recently had the pleasure of being able to stay at with my family, and I hope you enjoy the room tour, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments below. And without further ado, let's get right into the room tour. Please excuse the mess as we had not finished packing up, but here is a look at the bathroom. The toilet is in its own cute little cubby with a very nice enclosed glass door system and walls that you cannot see through. There's a lovely tub right here to the right and a very nice and spacious shower that was very nice inside with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then over to the right again we had that bathtub and then sink area. You can see here we have a nice little Nespresso machine coffee area with an area you can make your own drinks, and below here in this cabinet is a mini fridge that you can put drinks or food in. Here is the entryway where you walk into our room, and directly to the right of that is a lovely spacious closet area where you have the option to hang up any clothes you might want to hang up, as well as some robes that have been kindly provided. And then just past that is another little storage area that you'll see has some nice little shelf space in it, as well as a safe and drawers should you choose to use them. The safe was great. We put our passports in there for the duration of our stay. Over to the left you see there's a nice little full-length mirror, and here is our bed setup. It was 2 queen beds, and you can see the flat screen, or had a glimpse of the flat screen TV. And then over here is the back door to our swim out little area with a nice little patio, some chairs, and the area to get into the pool, as well as that nice little table seating area. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the room tour video. I'm sorry I forgot to do an outro as well, but if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video for you guys. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and write in the comments down below what you thought of the room, and if you would ever consider staying in a room like this at a resort if you have the opportunity. And I look forward to having you join my little community here on YouTube if you're interested. And here is to helping you make picture perfect memories that are sure to last you a lifetime. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.